not much to do apart from watering and harvesting at this time of year. So I'm just gonna, that's been nibbled. I'm gonna try and clear this and put these in my store. Any that has damage will get put in the use straight away pile. I'll store them in some dry cocoa coir in boxes in the greenhouse in my garage at home where it's cool and dark. Okay, I'll come back when I've got a full load. So the remains of this tub, I've got a half decent crop here. I mean, I've had quite a lot out of this one tub already, but I'll be taking the tops off these carrots and putting them in the store. Now, I've been all through this and it's very clean, and I don't want to just leave it like this. I need to protect it because this will be, I'm not going to try and grow anything over winter, so I want to try and protect this for next year's crop. Normally when I harvest something I'd put a mulch of something on top, but I want to keep this fairly light. It's mostly cocoa coir and very old spent compost anyway, and that's why I want to keep it that way. So for the time being I'll just cover it over with some cardboard, put a weight on top, and keep it like that until I'm ready to get it ready for next year's harvest. So that's what I've done today. I have got other pots to deal with, but they'll be done another day. Okay, so now at my home prep station, I've got to sort these carrots out into what's going to be chopped and prepared for the freezer, and what's good enough to go into this cocoa coir. I've looked at this one and it's perfectly fine, so that's going to be in here with others, with any that's good. Okay, I'll come back later. So this is what's going to be put in my store. It will have another one of these mushroom baskets on top, but it's coolish and dark in here. These are what I've chopped out any bad, and these will be processed and frozen, and this is what's come off and will be binned. So that's just one of my 3 large tubs that I grow carrots in, and to be honest, we have more than enough carrots. I mean, I think that's the whole idea, is to have an abundance, and you know, it's a nice thing to have.